Dear students, today I am going to solve some maths from the chapter Integers for Maths Olympiad. So today's first problem is, if this symbol is an operation between m and n such that m star n means m minus of minus n, then simplify minus 6 star minus 4. The options are 10, minus 10, minus 8 and 8. So if m star n means m minus of minus n, then minus 6 star minus 4 means. So here students, if m star n is equals to m minus of minus n, then minus 6 star minus 4 is equals to, so in the place of m we have to write minus 6 and in the place of n we have to write minus 4. Understood? Then calculate it. So minus 6 minus of, so minus minus plus 4. Now minus 6 minus 4 is equals to minus 10. So B is the correct answer. Minus 10 is the correct answer. Next, the preceding number of the number minus 6 is, the option are 6, minus 7, minus 5 and 5. So the preceding number of minus 6 is obviously minus 6 minus 1, so obviously minus 7. So the preceding number is minus 7. So B is the correct answer. Next problem. Find the sum of minus 23, 18, minus 26 and minus 57. The options are minus 40, minus 88, minus 60 and minus 20. Okay. So we have to find the sum of these numbers. So we have to add these numbers to find the sum. So minus 23 plus of 18 plus of minus 26 and plus of minus 57. Now remove these brackets. So it will be minus 23 plus 18 plus minus minus 26 and plus minus minus 57. So here students, you can see that the three numbers are negative and one is positive. So it will be, so if we calculate it, it will be 57 plus 23, because we know that same sign must be added. So 57 and 23 is 80. 80 plus 20 is 100, 106. So it is minus 106 and plus 80. So if we subtract, it will be minus 88. So B is the correct answer. Minus 88 is the correct answer. Next. Next problem. The additive inverse of the sum of the integers minus 9853 and minus 3187 is. The options are 6666, 4031, 10,340 and 13,040. So these are the options. So the additive inverse of the sum of the integers. So at first we have to find the sum of these two given integers. So if we add these two, minus 9853 and minus 3187, it will be minus of, so add these two values, 13,040 minus 13,040, but we have to find the additive inverse of this sum. So the additive inverse of this sum is 13,040. So D is the correct answer. Next problem. Which sign will come in the box to make the expression true? The expression is minus 6 plus of minus 5 minus 2, then in the right hand side minus 6 plus of minus 5 minus 2. The options are less than sign, option B greater than, option C equals to, and option D none of these. So to find that which is correct option, we have to calculate this. So here minus 6 and minus 5, if we add these two values, it will be minus 11, and minus 11 and minus 2 is minus 13. So left side is minus 13 and right side is minus 6, and here minus 5 minus 2. So minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7, and minus 7 plus minus 6 is minus 13. So both sides are minus 13. So that means both sides are equal. So equal sign will be there in the box. So option C is correct. Next problem. Problem number 6. Find the sum of the three integers lies between -2 and 2. The options are 0, 1, -1 and 4. These are the options. So to find the answer, at first we have to find that how many integers are there in between -2 and 2. So in between -2 and 2, the integers are -1, 0 and 1. These three integers are there in between -2 and 2. Now if we add these three numbers, it will be 0, because -1 plus 0 is -1 and -1 plus 1 is 0. So option A is the correct answer. Next problem. Select the correct statement. So the statements are: if the dividend and divisor have opposite signs, then the quotient will be negative. Second option is: if the two factors of a number are of same sign, then their product is positive. Third option: if the addends are of same sign, then sign of their sum is same as the sign sign of the addends. And D option is all of these. So the four options are: first option, so we have to select the correct one. If the dividend and divisor have opposite signs, then the quotient will be negative. Obviously it is correct, because if both are opposite, then quotient must be negative. Second option: if the two factors of a number are the same sign, then their product is positive, obviously, because if both are negative, then negative multiply negative is positive, and if both are positive, then positive multiply positive is positive. So obviously their product is positive if they have same sign. So B is also correct. Option C: if the addends are of same sign, then sign of their sum is same as the sign of the addends. Obviously, if the both are negative, then negative plus negative is obviously negative, and if both are positive, then positive plus positive is obviously positive. So option C is also correct. So that means all the options are correct. So that means all of these will be the correct answer. Next problem is, which of the following shows the maximum rise in temperature? Option A 0 degree centigrade to 10 degree centigrade. Option B minus 4 degree centigrade to 8 degree centigrade. Option C minus 50 degree centigrade to minus 8 degree centigrade. And option D minus 7 degree centigrade to 0 degree centigrade. So which of the following shows the maximum rise in temperature? So here 0 degree to 10 degree, that means 10 degree. Then minus 4 degree to 8 degree. So if we draw a number line, if it is 0 and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in this number line, the changes from minus 4 to 8 for option B, minus 4, this point to this point, minus 4 to 8. So what is the value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 degree centigrade risen. Again I repeat that from minus 4 to 8 the value is, so count the numbers in between minus 4 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 degree. And then minus 15 to minus 8. Minus 15 to minus 8 is 7 and minus 7 to 0 is also 7. So option B rise in maximum temperature. Option B shows the maximum rise in temperature. I hope all of you understood. Now next problem. Which of the following is incorrect? The options are positive integer greater than 0 greater than negative integer. Option B is positive integer greater than negative integer less than 0. Option C is 0 less than positive integer greater than negative integer. And option D is positive integer greater than 0 less than negative integer. Now students, we have to find the incorrect option. Which is incorrect? So that means among the 4 options, 3 are correct and 1 is incorrect. So see the first one, positive integer is greater than 0 is greater than negative integer. So obviously it is correct because 0 is greater than negative integer and positive integer is greater than 0. So it is correct. Second one is positive integer is greater than negative integer. Obviously positive is greater than negative and negative is less than 0. Obviously negative is less than 0. B is also correct. C, positive integers 0 less than positive integers. Obviously 0 less than positive integer and positive is always greater than negative. So it is also correct. So obviously D will be incorrect. So positive integer greater than 0. It is correct. Positive integer greater than 0 and 0 less than negative integer. This portion is incorrect, students. 0 is 0 less than negative integer. This portion is incorrect because 0 is always greater than negative integer. So option D is incorrect. So students, you must practice such kind of maths for your maths Olympiad. Thank you, students.